Hi team, now in today's episode we'll be interviewing health professionals as well as members of the general public to find out what are top tips, what we can do to minimise the spread of coronavirus and stay safe. So for our first interview we go live to Mark in Newcastle. Over to you, Mark.
Hi Zoe, I'm here with Fiona to find out her top tips. What would your top tip be to stop the spreading of coronavirus?
Always wash your hands and use soap. It's very important.
Brilliant, thank you.
Clean the surfaces every day and often.
Get your job and get your booster to keep yourself safe.
I would say stay at home and look after your parents and your loved ones, and also just be aware of being ill around people, but stay at home and wash your hands.
If you got the COVID, you will stay at home, do not spread it.
Where you wash your hands with bubbles.
Stay in your bubble so you know when you're safe and you know who you're with.
Stay safe, get your jab and your booster.
My top tip is wear your mask every time.
We've been discussing the importance of looking after mental health, which affects us in different ways. We want to hear from you. To find this out, we go live to Lisa Kenny.
Hi Zoe, I've been asking people, can COVID and the rules affect the way we feel?
With the pandemic, people have been worried about problems with their mental health. So how would you know if you had problems with your mental health? Well, people can feel a little bit more anxious, have more worries. They might be frightened. You might not be able to go out and meet people, and that might be very scary.
What can we do to look after our mental health?
So the first thing is to talk to people. Talk to your friends, talk to professionals. If you are worried about your mental health, then it's really important to talk to somebody.
If you got depression, it means it's going to put it down to get it off go test.
Get talked about my friend.
Have some hobbies and I like doing the hoovering and I love listening to music and singing on the karaoke.
For me, about mental health, it's just to close your eyes, have your hot chocolate, and listen to your music, and also just feel where the music is taking you.
Keep in touch. Keep in touch with friends and families. And you might not be able to meet people in where you would have met them before. So phone calls, video calls, or meet outside. It's really important to stay in touch.
I would say go out, get some fresh air, do some either exercise, go for a bit of a run or a jog, just keep yourself fit.
Man, I get my dog done, I really feel so good.
Exercise, because it makes me feel so happy about myself.
Well, you can get out there and play some sports and meet people and have some fun.
If you feel that you do need help, then there's lots of support out there. There's support online, there are supports from groups. So it's really important to think about what supports you need and make sure you access them. So if you've got a social worker or a GP or a community nurse, it's important to reach out to them or to your friends or to your family.
There are lots of things we can do to make sure we look after ourselves and those around us.